transverse slope line. Now front part 32 divided by 4, 8 inch. Front cross height says 16 part, 2 inch. Up from armhole position, front cross line. Front neck width says 8 part, 4 inch. Front neck deep says 12 part, 3 inch. Front neck deep at SPS below says 24 part, 138, 3 inch, 3/4 inch. Lapel roll line, 9.5 inch pocket position from hem. First button, second button, 4 inch. Lapel fold line, 2.5 inch lapel width. Says 48 part, front cross line, and says 24/8 part, front cross width. Front armhole line. Now loose 4 inch at says 3.5 inch. Bottom hip, half inch center front, longer than back length. Back hip 5 3/4 inch. Hip 33 divided by 2, 16 half inch seam margin. Now I make a straight line. Hip same. Back chest 7/4 inch. Chest 32 divided by 16 inch, half inch seam margin. Chest pocket 1.5 inch. Distance from back cross. Chest pocket length 4 inch. 3/4 inch up from chest line. Chest pocket welt height 7-8 inch. Pocket flap height 2/4. Three-quarter chest dart deep. Chest 48 part, 5/8 in mark. Seven inch side back band length, 1/4 inch band height, width. One and a half inch bottom seam margin. Bottom hem front, bottom hem line. Center front, bottom shape